And what could be better than a beach vacation at one of the most beautiful beaches in the world? Lanikai Beach is one of the most beautiful and popular beaches in Hawaii. The beach is well known for its white sand, clear water, and stunning views. Lanikai Beach is located on the east side of Oahu, about a 30-minute drive from Waikiki. The beach is situated between two small islands called Moku Nui and Moku Iki. These islands are part of a state bird sanctuary and are off-limits to visitors. Lanikai Beach is a great place to relax, swim, sunbathe, and paddleboard. The beach has public restrooms, showers, and picnic tables. There are also several restaurants and cafes in the area. Traithko Whai Le is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The clear turquoise water and soft white sand make it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Thailand. It's not only because of its white sandy beach and clear blue water but also the unique rock formations, and the landscape is wild and unspoiled. Visitors can enjoy plenty of activities such as swimming, sunbathing, fishing, and kayaking. There are also a few small hotels near the beach. Matera Public Beach is located in the southern part of the island of Bora Bora and is one of the most famous beaches on the island with its clear turquoise waters and fine and cemented sand. The beach is also known for its restaurants, which are considered some of the best on Bora Bora. Guests can find a variety of beach hotels in the area, as well as vacation rentals that offer direct access to the beach. Whether looking to relax on the white sand or take a dip in the lagoon, Matera Beach is the perfect spot to enjoy all that Bora Bora has to offer. Nissi Beach is a popular beach in the resort of Aiea Napa, Cyprus. The sandy beach stretches over a distance of 500 meters and the water is very clean enough that it has been given the name Blue Flag. Aiea Napa Nissi Beach is one of the most prominent features of Aiea Napa, and it is a sandy beach famous for its clarity, so it is called the Crystal Beach. The water of Nissi Beach is very clean and clear for this reason. There are many beaches on the coastline of Crete, and Elefthenissi Beach is one of the best in Greece. This expansive beach is known for its soft white sand, turquoise waters and, in some areas, its pink color. Elefthenissi Beach has lifeguards working nearby clock, so it is suitable for all ages and ideal for home use. If you only go to one beach in Bermuda, make it Horseshoe Bay. The beach is located on the island of Bermuda and is well known for its stretch of sand and is arguably Bermuda's most famous, with its gentle turquoise waters, jagged cliffs, and distinctive pink sand. Visitors can find plenty of activities to keep them busy, including swimming, sunbathing, windsurfing, and more, in addition to hidden caves and stunning views. Tunnels Beach, also known as Makua Beach, is located on the north shore of Kauai in Hawaii. The beach is a popular spot for snorkeling, swimming, and surfing. The beach gets its name from the two tunnels that were created when lava flows went through the coral reef. Navajo Beach, or Shipwreck Beach, is an exposed cove, sometimes referred to as Smuggler's Cove, on the coast of Zakynthos, in the Ionian Islands of Greece. The beach is accessible only by boat. It is a popular stop for tourist boats and a well-known spot for swimming and sunbathing. The beach features a shipwreck from the 1980s, the MV Panayotis, and has become a popular destination for cliff jumping. Anse sur Argent is one of the most popular and photographed beaches in the world. The beach is located on the island of La Diga in Seychelles. It is known for its clear turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and granite rocks. The beach is also known for its stunning scenery, with coral reefs, drop-offs, wrecks, and canyons. The rich marine life makes it a perfect destination for diving year-round. There are dive sites for both beginners and experienced divers. One of the most beautiful places on Earth, Whitehaven Beach is a 7 km stretch of silica sand on Whitsunday Island, in Queensland, Australia. The sand is 97% pure silica, which gives it its brilliant white color. The beach has been rated as one of the top 10 beaches in the world by several publications. The water is crystal clear and there are plenty of coral reefs nearby for snorkeling and diving. There are also several shipwrecks in the area, which make for interesting dives.